Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Most of the defence deals on hold due to corruption. To clear them would be my priority. Defence Minister Parrikar arrives in Goa on 4-day visit. My successor in Panaji will be as friendly as me, assures Parrikar. Declaration of new candidate for Panaji by December. Fadnavis government wins controversial trust vote in Maharashtra. NCP backs BJP government by abstaining. Shiv Sena sits in opposition. Opposition challenges voice vote. "45th IFFI all set to commence from 20th November to 30th November. Preparations for IFFI to be complete by 18th November. And efficiency and stability to two crucial criteria to fill two vacant posts in Parsikar cabinet. Mickey Avertano and Pramod Sawant in race. Now the news in detail. Most of the defence deals are on hold on the backdrop of corruption. To clear them would be my priority. Defence Minister addressed media on Wednesday during his 3-day visit to Goa. Parrikar said that he will take defence at such a level that no one will dare to attack. He also said that shifting Navy from Dabolim will be anti-national. The new Defence Minister assured that Dabolim Airport will get more cooperation from Navy for civilian purpose.
There are small breach of what you call as a line of control, but that is not to be taken to the serious. Overall, the problem is being tackled in a different way. There is a problem, but it's of different kind, not the kind you are trying. We should have, the real problem is we should establish proper infrastructural backup in those areas. I will not tell you what are the lackings because that is never discussed. But what is required is fill up the gap, whatever it is, in next 1 or 2 years, so that we create capability. The intrusion you are talking about is a very small issue. Create better capabilities in infrastructure and equipment in the Indian Army, as also address the human angle. जो आप पूछ रहे हैं वो ऑपरेशनल मामले हैं, जो जैसे उनकी ताकत आप बढ़ा देंगे, कैपेबिलिटी बढ़ा देंगे, वो लोग ऑटोमेटिक सॉल्व करेंगे. Not capable of solving. Better infrastructure is provided to the army, better equipments are provided to the army, and the human angle is also resolved where there are problems, where there are issues like one rank, one pension. We will come to earlier solution on these issues. We will add the Karwar also to Navy's area, but shifting Navy, even when I was Chief Minister, I have been very clear, shifting Navy from Daboli will be anti-national, according to me. I will, but at the same time, I will ensure that Daboli Airport on civilian side gets appropriate support from Navy to improve its performance and availability. बहुतेक defense deals are stuck up because of lobbying and vested interest and kickbacks. Pilot error एक असता because they do lot of exercise with odd types of special movements. Sometimes you in training you are not expert in training phase, you make a mistake also. I will not comment on it, but I can tell you that that is not the cause of worry today.
My successor in Panaji will be as friendly as me. This assurance comes from outgoing Panaji MLA and new Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar. The new candidate for Panaji will be decided by December. Parrikar also said that he will be on a door-to-door campaign during Panaji by poll. Parrikar is on a 4-day Goa visit after taking charge as Union Defence Minister. The capital city of Panaji witnessed a sea of BJP supporters gathered to listen to the leader of masses.
तशें पणजे म्हाका पॉलिटिकल लायफ आनी माया दिली ती केन्नाच विसरना. त्यामुळे पणजे तूं जाय ते बरे कडच्यान जातलें. पणजेकारांक ते कितें सपोर्ट जाय तो जातलो. कॅन्डिडेट कोण आसतलो हाजें स्पेक्युलेशन करूं नाका. म्हजें नांव थंय टीव्हीचेर येता आसतना काही फोन येवपाक लागले आपल्याक टिकेट दी आपल्याक टिकेट दी. आमी सगळ्या कार्यकर्त्यां बरोबर चर्चा करतलो डिसेंबराक आनी कॅन्डिडेट आमचो ठरतलो. कार्यकर्त्या बरोबर लोकां बरोबर सादारणपो आस्वाद घेवन जो सादारणपणे म्हज्या भशेनूच लोकां भितर मिक्स जाणारो आसतलो असोच आमी ठरवया. अनोळखी मनशाक तुमी निवडून दिलो पणजे आयलो अनोळखी आशिल्लो कित्याक तर तुमचे आभार मानता देव.
Earlier at around 4 in the evening on Wednesday, Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar landed at Daboli. He was welcomed at Daboli Airport by Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar, BJP's Organising Secretary Satish Don, other ministers, MLAs and hundreds of workers. He addressed supporters at Daboli.
पण म्हाका दिसता ते कॅपेबल आसा महत्वाची गरज समजूं शकता. आमचे मंत्रिमंडळ कॅपेबल आशिल्ले जबरदस्त ताकदीचे आशिल्ले आसात. हांव आशिल्ले आनी आसा वयल्याचो फरक करता की हांव नासल्यामुळे मातसोसो फरक पडला पण ते जवळ जवळ तोच ग्रूप आहा.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
The 13-day-old BJP government in Maharashtra won the trust vote in the assembly on Wednesday. Shiv Sena's Eknath Shinde will be the leader of the opposition. The passage of the confidence motion triggered a huge controversy, with Shiv Sena and Congress challenging the voice vote and claiming Fadnavis failed to prove majority. Calling the development a black day, the two opposition parties announced that they would register their protest with the governor of Maharashtra. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.